Hey everyone, if you're seeing the error message Roblox has crashed, please perform a Windows clean boot. Keep watching. I'll show you two different methods to fix this issue. The first solution is performing a clean boot. Here's how to do it. Open your Start menu, search for Run, and click the Run icon. In the search box, type msconfig and press Enter. In the System Configuration window, click on the Services tab. At the bottom, check the box that says Hide all Microsoft services. It's important to check this box. Once that's checked, click on Disable All, then hit Apply and OK. When prompted, click Exit without restart. Now, go back to the Start menu and search for Task Manager. Open it. In Task Manager, select the Startup tab. Here, you'll see all the third-party apps that start automatically when your computer turns on. Click the status column to sort by enabled or disabled apps. For each app that is enabled, right-click on it and select Disable. Make sure to take note of any apps you disable, as we may need to enable them later. After you've disabled all apps, close Task Manager and restart your computer. Once your computer restarts, try launching Roblox, and that should resolve the error. If the clean boot doesn't work, the second method is to reinstall Roblox via the Microsoft Store. Open the Start menu again, search for Microsoft Store, and click on the app. In the search box at the top, type Roblox. Select the Roblox app and click the Get button to install it from the official Microsoft Store. Often, installing Roblox from the official store will fix any crashing issues. That's all for today. By following these steps, you should have resolved any Roblox crashing problems. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.